making it move. Okay, that's not good.
Alright, she's good.
Alright.
Everything's off. I'll get you out through that door. Stay right there.
Okay. If you'll be able to. Dirt. Alright, how are we gonna do this? How am I gonna do this, Daddy?
Okay.
Uh,
Let's